Hello, today we will guide you through how to find old chats in Claude AI. If you've used Claude before and want to go back to a previous conversation, the process is simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll open Claude, navigate to the chats area, and then use the available tools to locate an older conversation quickly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Claude AI login page. If you're starting from a search engine, look for the official Claude sign-in result and open it. Make sure you select the official page so you can safely access your account and chat history. Once the sign-in page loads, click the option to sign into your account. If you are not already logged in, complete the login process to continue. After that, you'll be taken into the Claude interface, where your navigation options are available. Next, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the navigation menu. This is where Claude keeps the main sections of the app. In that menu, click on Chats. This section is where your previous conversations are stored, so it's the main place you'll use when trying to find something from earlier. After opening the left navigation menu option, click on Chats again if needed to enter the full Chats view. Depending on how the interface appears on your screen, this may open a dedicated page showing your conversation history. Once you're there, you should see a list of past chats displayed on the screen. At this point, you can begin finding the conversation you need. If you recognize the title or remember when you worked on it, scan through the list of chats until you spot the one you want. This is helpful if the conversation was recent or if the chat title stands out clearly. If you have many chats and want a faster method, use the search bar in the chats area. Click into the search field and type a word or phrase you remember from the chat. This can make it much easier to narrow down the results, especially if you've had several similar conversations. If the search doesn't immediately bring up what you need, you can also scroll down through the chat list manually. Take your time and look through the visible conversation titles until you find the correct one. This is a useful backup option when you only vaguely remember the chat or want to browse older entries. That's all it takes to find old chats in Claude AI. Once you locate the conversation, you can open it and continue where you left off.